Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So in today's video, it's basically a live update to update you guys on what has been going on in my life and why I haven't been posting. So if you're new, I hope you subscribe. And I know my voice today sounds so husky. I don't know what's going on, but I'm here, I'm back, and I'll be uploading much more sit downs videos. So to update you guys, I know I'm pretty much by face because I'm trying to stay away from makeup for I don't know for how long, but I think in most of the videos you guys are gonna be seeing I probably will have makeup on. So get straight into the reason why I make this video. So basically I moved from home. I'm in another city. You guys are gonna see probably in most of the videos that I'll be doing, and I'll be catching you guys up along with what has been going on. And yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of videos that I'll be making for you guys to fill you guys in. And just like this video that I'm making right now is to make you guys understand that I was dealing with a lot and couldn't make videos at that point because I just needed time for myself. I needed to recharge and come back with the energy that I'm in right now, because I was not going to post any type of videos with my energy being low, because you guys probably would have seen this. I promised I'm back and we will be doing great things. I'll be showing you guys a lot of things, and just in case you guys are wondering and also want some type of videos for me to do on my channel, you guys can comment down below and what type of videos you guys want to see. 2021 has become one of those months where I'm like, okay, now things are happening. I don't need to slow step. I need to do more. I need to manifest. I need to start journaling and doing a lot of things, because this year I want to try out new things and stop being afraid to knock on those doors, because eventually no one's going to do that for me. I have to do it for myself. So the reason why I had to come back was because I wanted to take you guys along with the journeys that I'll be facing, whether they are sad or they're good, but not that I'll be showing each and everything that I'm doing, my locations, where I am, because I like to keep most of my things private. So yeah, basically I don't want to drag this video so long and talk a lot of unnecessary things. I just wanted to come here and tell you guys that we're back better. We'll be doing a lot and lots and lots of videos, and I'm sure you guys also can see from my skin it's better from how it was last year. It's improved. I've been using a lot of new products. Basically, you guys, I'm not in the city. I have family at the side, but I chose not to be part of that because I just want to know the city by myself, trying to enjoy things, trying to try new things, and try new friendship and do more things overall for my channel and for you guys also, and for me to also do videos that I'm going to be enjoying. So I don't want to do all boring videos, whereas they're not based on my niche, they're not based on what I'm trying to achieve here. So what I want is to fill you guys the type of things that I love to do and what I've been up to mostly. So I'm gonna be catching you guys up on most of that. Yeah, I know I have a sunburn, tan, you guys can call it. It's hot here, but yeah. So I hope you guys probably much enjoy this short video, and don't forget to comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see of me doing next, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to call your friends to subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be doing much more bigger things. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and thanks to everyone that subscribed and watched my videos from when I started. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.